As we all know, online shopping, e-commerce business, medical goods shipments and supply chain market is growing at rapid rocket speed. But, do you think the existing roadways logistics supply chain could fulfill all the need? Is this cost and time effective? Answer is big. No. Over COVID pandemic and recent research, we found delaying medical goods, vaccine supply to rural areas could be really time consuming, which causes the person's death. Nothing is more precise than a person's life. Shipping goods within small islands, inside factories, bigger apartment communities, and one another world's biggest e-commerce problem is last mile delivery. How to solve this? Hello. Here is SkyHawk Robotics developing a new SkyHawk drones, which is an autonomous drone delivery and emergency responder drone which will help you to ship a product payload up to 20 kg and send across 25-kilometer radius. This will solve the last mile delivery problems. SkyHawk delivery drones will act as a first responder in case of any medical emergency, which can carry vaccines, blood samples or any medical supply up to 5 kg for 25 kilometers. First time ever in India, we developed an interactive drone. A drone which will have a video interaction and build speakers and enhance audio interaction based on business and customer requirements, not just. Our drone is fully autonomous. No more pilots required. Our drone has an inbuilt autopilot flight controller and attached companion computer. You can control your drone from a dedicated ground station. Our target product and solution will help you to save lives, time and money. Lots more excited autonomous features and coming soon. We are preparing for takeoff. Are you ready?